What's up everyone? In this video, we are taking a quick look at what a customized Logitech gaming keyboard looks like. And this is customized using a aftermarket PBT padding translucent white keys. And the reason it's called PBT padding is because it's the delicious color it produces. Okay, so if you look at the key, the custom key from the side, you can see it's got two layers. So the top layer is just like your regular key, which is for this one it's white, and on the bottom it's actually translucent. So that actually in turn produces a very good looking translucent effect if you have a LED keyboard. In my case, I have the Logitech G610 gaming keyboard, and this keyboard features the Cherry MX keys, either in MX brown or MX red. And I have the MX red key, but really it doesn't matter much. As long as your keyboard have Cherry MX key switches, you can customize your Cherry MX keys using any of the PBT aftermarket keyboard keycaps. Okay, so the reason I'm making this video is because first I want to show you guys how good it looks like with those translucent keycaps, okay, compared to the stock Logitech keys. And the second is it's really important for you to measure and know the exact size of some of the important keys on your keyboard before you make the purchase and then regret your purchasing decision. Because for Logitech G610, and I'm pretty sure it's same for other Logitech keyboards that use Cherry MX keys, is some of their keys are not standard size Cherry MX keys, because some keys are slightly bigger than what the Cherry MX spec calls, and some keys are actually shorter. So in this case, for my G610, I bought this key set and some of the keys that I'm unable to switch, namely the caps lock key, the shift key, the control key, and the space key. Those keys are different size from what I got from the aftermarket set. So basically, I'll show you guys really quick. So let's find the control key right here. So if you take a look, the control key I bought is actually smaller than the control key on the Logitech G610. So I can put it on there. It just looks super weird and out of place. Okay, so with the shift key, actually this one fits perfectly fine. However, the shift key over here, even though it's same length, if you look at the back, that's another important factor. The pin position on the two side keys are different as the one on the Logitech G610. So because of the different position, I wasn't able to put it in there and then press it smoothly, because it always gets stuck because the pin was different. Okay, so that's very important. And also same thing for the space key. Obviously this space key is way longer than the G610 features, and it doesn't work. So basically the reason being, the standard key design actually calls for this size of control keys, and Logitech has decided to extend the control key over here and then shorten the space key over here. That's why it's not fitting. But otherwise, if you have a standard Cherry MX layout, it should fit with any of the aftermarket keys. Okay, so that's one important reason I want to bring it out. If you guys have a Logitech G610 or some other Logitech gaming keyboard that uses Cherry MX keys, okay? But other than that, I was able to replace all the important keys, which is the keys in the center that you type on most of the time, and it actually works great. The indentation on the aftermarket one actually is much stronger on the F and J compared to the Logitech G610 keys, which makes it a lot easier to position myself and find the keys in the dark when I need to, okay? And also because of the padding, the PBT padding double injection design makes the keys stand out and the lighting effect looks really, really, really good. Okay, it's a no-brainer. If you want the cool effect, for sure, go ahead and get the aftermarket keys. Just to keep in mind, if you have a particular Logitech keyboard, some of the keys might not work. It doesn't matter much to me because I am very used to the keys being not mixed and matched together. But if you're very particular about your keys being all same size, same color, you might want to buy another keyboard that actually uses standard sized keys instead of the Logitech one, okay? But for Logitech, this works beautifully. Questions, comments about aftermarket PBT translucent putting keys, feel free to ask me in the comments section down below. Otherwise, thank you so much guys for watching. Hope you found this video helpful. If you did, please do hit the like button and subscribe, and I should have more similar contents coming out for you guys, okay? Thank you again and take care.